channel, Glow with Candace. And if you're new here, welcome. I'd love to see you back on my channel, so hit the subscribe button down below to see future videos like this and more by me. I also just want to take a moment to thank all my new subscribers. I've been getting a lot more lately, and I'm just so excited you guys love my content and you want to stick around and see stuff by me. On today's video, I'm going to be going over my go-to top 5 highlighters. So I'm so excited to share with you guys because highlighters are probably one of my favorite products. There's just something about highlighters that I'm just like, yes. I just love the glow that highlighters give, and you would think that I wouldn't just because I have oily skin, but it's different. Just because I like to wear highlighters, of course, on the cheekbone there. And then I also love to wear my highlighters right below my eyebrow and right above my eye looks. It just gives it a beautiful accent. I know some people like to do the tips of their nose and then the tip right above their lip there. So, but that is just typically where I usually apply my highlighter. So I'm so excited to share with you guys my go-to highlighters, maybe show you guys some new brands or new colors that you may be intrigued in. So the first product I'm gonna go over is from Luna, and it is the Elektra Luna Highlighter. And I got this in my Ipsy, I think just in an Ipsy bag, like way long time ago. This stuff, it's a little dirty because I have used a lot of this, and I love how it's little enough so it's easy to travel. Like this stuff I just throw in. As you can see, I have used quite a lot of it. It's a little dirty. This stuff is just beautiful. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna show you guys a swatch. Oh, look how pretty. Like you would think it would be darker than it is, but it's not, and it's just so beautiful. I feel like this would complement a lot of different skin tones, and I am lighter in skin, so it's kind of like a pinky gold color, but very light, so a lot of people could get away with this color. It's just so pretty, as you can see. I'm actually wearing it today, and you can see here, it just gives you a little bit of a glow and isn't anything just crazy. So I feel like this highlighter would be good for somebody who's just playing around maybe, or they don't like their highlighter to stand out too much, like they just like that soft glow. I feel like this color is really good for that, just that soft glow that really complements your skin. This is just so pretty. This color in Elektra, like I love this. This is probably one of the few products I have found love thanks to Ipsy. But that swatch is just beautiful. As you can see, like it is just so pretty, so creamy, buttery, and just beautiful. Since I did get this in my Ipsy glam bag, I've never bought it. So I was looking around online, and it's kind of super hard to find. The only place I could find it right now is on the Luna website, and it's out of stock. So hopefully it comes back. But normally it retails for $23. It looks like you can buy it on Poshmark. I don't really know what Poshmark is. I've never bought from there. I tried looking on Amazon. It's not on Amazon. I just think right now it's out of stock, so it's hard to get. But I will leave the link down below in case it does come back in stock sometime soon, because I really do love this highlighter. It's beautiful, and I feel like it's just that subtle glow that just is so beautiful. Also, mine is smaller because it is from Ipsy, so it's 0.1 ounce, and it's lasted me a long time. The normal size of it is, maybe that is the normal size because it says 0.1 ounce in there too. So maybe this is the normal size. I'm not quite sure because this is the only product that I've ever gotten from them, and I got it from Ipsy. I will say, like, for the actual product, it's really nice, but the packaging is pretty cheap. So, I mean, $23, you are paying it for the product, but I wish the packaging was just a little bit more, I guess, sturdy, like, you know, because you're paying 23 bucks for it. My next highlighter that I love and reach for a lot is from Maybelline, and it is the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold, and this retails for $9.99, and it's a beautiful like peachy pink gold color. As you can see, I've used a lot of this product, but it lasts quite a while, and I'll do a swatch. It is just so buttery. Look how pigmented that is, you guys. Oh, I love buttery, soft, pigmented highlighters. So here's the swatch. Oh, that is just so gorgeous. So this one is a little bit more pinky than the Luna one that I just showed you guys, but it is just absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love this highlighter, and it's super affordable at $9.99. I also have the Molten Gold for another color from Maybelline. They have a few other colors, Molten Peach and Molten Pearl. So definitely something to take a look at. And it is 0.24 ounces, so you're getting a lot of product for $9.99, and this is just, honestly, I feel like it's a dupe for some of the higher end highlighters like from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like this product is like a dupe. That's how well this is, and I just love this highlighter. Even if you don't like this color and you want maybe a different color, I definitely recommend looking at the other colors because this formula and product is amazing from Maybelline. Okay, so my third go-to reach for highlighter is from Lorac, and I am gonna totally say this now. My last few I've always pronounced Lorac wrong. I've always pronounced it Lorac. So apparently I've pronounced it wrong this whole time. So in my last few videos where I've done reviews on different products, yeah, I've said it wrong, so I apologize. I now realize it's Lorac, so shame on me. But as you guys have known and what I've said before, I mispronounce things wrong all the time, so it is what it is. We can laugh at myself. But anyways, my next one is from Lorac, and it is the Light Source Mega Beam Highlighter. And this comes in 3 different colors. This one is Celestial, which is a soft gold with pearl undertones. This is just so beautiful. I love Lorac highlighters. They are just my favorite. So just to show you guys here, look how beautiful and pigmented that is. I melt over these highlighters. That's probably something that I will just melt over, how buttery and soft and pigmented it is. So I'm gonna show you guys the swatch here. Look at that. I just love this color. I also purchased Gilded Lily as well, but I reach for Celestial way more than I do Gilded Lily, and I think it's just because I love this light gold and it's just beautiful and goes with a lot of different looks. This retails for $24. It is a little bit more pricey, but you totally get what it's worth. It's definitely a bang for its buck. I bought it half off during a sale, so just keep that in mind. And Lorac has a lot of different Lorac. I gotta get used to saying that. Lorac has a lot of different sales that go on their website as well. My next go-to reach for highlighters is from OFRA. Now, I love OFRA. I have a bunch of different highlighters from them. Specifically, I have a couple different palettes with multiple colors in them, and actually my go-to color is in a palette. It's from the Nikkietutorials Highlighting Trio. So we have Space Baby, Glazed Donut, and Glow Goals. So I will open this up for you. It retails for $35 at Ulta for these 3 colors. So over here we have Space Baby, we have Glazed Donut, and then we have Glow Goals. Now just to show you guys the difference in size wise, so this is a $35, but a normal, just a single pan, is also $35, and it is this big. So this one I actually have is called Bali, and this is a beautiful color as well. But this is how big a single pan is for $35 versus the 3. This one is 0.4 ounces. This one is 0.14 ounce per pan. So there's definitely a size difference, but if you're looking to get multiple different colors, I highly recommend, you know, the pan, because it is a great payoff. The only thing is, you know, sometimes it's nice to just have a single too. So it's nice and sleek packaging if you are looking for just the 3 colors. I do love how there's 3 different ones, and they're all 3 gorgeous. But I'm getting sidetracked because the one color I really wanted to go over with you guys that you can buy in just a single pan like this, I wanted to show you that's what that looked like, but you can also buy it in the trio. I really love Glazed Donut, which is this middle one here. Oh, OFRA highlighters are probably, it's so hard. I love all of these that I'm sharing with you guys. But OFRA is definitely one of my absolute favorites. Like, definitely one of my favorites. And I'm gonna show you guys with this swatch right here, if I don't have you sold yet. Oh my gosh, it's just so buttery. And Glazed Donut is just beautiful. So the Glazed Donut is a frosty white pearlescent shade that beams bright on a fair to light glow. It is absolutely beautiful, and I feel like complements a lot of different skin tones. I'm just gonna also show you guys, since we're here and I've pulled out my other colors, I'm gonna show you guys the other colors as well. So over here we have Space Baby, so I'm gonna do this one next. Look at that. So this one is really pretty. It's like a white with like pearlescent blue. Oh, just so pretty. Like, that is just gorgeous. I feel like that one's a little bit more bold for people who like those kind of colors. The last one in this palette is Glow Goals. Just look how beautiful and pigmented that is. Just so pretty. I'm just gonna come right over here. Just so beautiful. This palette is just beautiful, but OFRA highlighters are just beautiful. Like, I can't even. So very buttery, very pigmented. Of course, like, you get more bang for your buck if you get 3 different colors if you want variety, but if you get the big pan, then it'll last a lot longer and you're getting just the color you really want. So maybe you saw one there that I wasn't initially gonna show that you're like, I wanna buy that in a full pan. And then I will show you guys Bali too, since, you know, I did kind of show it off. I was just trying to show you guys the size if you choose to get it in just the single pan. And then also about OFRA too, if you go onto their website, when the pan gets really dull and there's not much left, you don't have to rebuy the whole packaging. You can just buy the pan and put the pan inside. And that's a little bit cheaper, I think by 10 bucks. So here's Bali. And this is just beautiful. It reminds me of summer, really. Very beautiful color here. Look how gorgeous that is. I just love OFRA. It's so pretty. And we've made it to number 5, and it's actually a palette, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Sugar Glow Kit. This stuff has been around forever, and it's just amazing. The outer packaging is beautiful. It's an ombre purple with sparkle. It's just very beautiful. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighters. I have 4 of the palettes, and these are just some of my favorite as well. I know I keep saying that, but that's why I'm showing you guys my top 5. And then this one just so happens to have 4 colors, so I'll do swatches of all 4 for you. But this retails for $40, and you can get them on sale when they do come on sale. I've seen them half off at Ulta during like Black Friday, during 21 Days of Beauty. That's actually how I got the other one with the Sun Dipped Glow Kit. So, but this one, if you're gonna buy one of the 2, I definitely recommend the Sugar. As you can see, I reach for these quite a bit, more so these 2 on top, but they are absolutely beautiful. So over here we have Marshmallow, and then we have Gumdrop, I mean. And then we have Starburst and Butterscotch. So I will show you guys swatches of them because they're all just beautiful. This is Marshmallow here. Oh my goodness, just so pretty. I reach for this one quite often. And then we have Gumdrop, which is this on my middle finger. Just so pretty, oh my goodness. And then we have Starburst, which is this ring finger here. And then we have Butterscotch, which is on my pinky finger. Where do I have room? I'll just go like right here. Oh, so pretty. So all beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. And the way the light hits it, just beautiful shift in color, just so pretty. That palette is just amazing. And you're getting 4 different colors for $40. Like I said, I've seen it half off multiple times, so you can definitely get it for a good deal. And these are, I'm trying to see, so they're 0.26 ounces in each different palette. So, or I should say color palette, I guess. So 0.26 ounces in each product. So that's a good bang for your buck there for high end. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 go-to reach for highlighters. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below. And if you're new here and want to see future videos like this and more by me, hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to see you back on my channel. But until next time, bye!